Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on Web Tech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to delete old Gmail messages in bulk. Okay, so guys, you easily find the old messages on your Gmail and you can delete in bulk in one click. So I will show you in this video tutorial. So guys, let's start with the video and let's okay. So here, so if you want to delete old message in bulks, that mean you have to find first old messages in Gmail, then you can delete. Okay, so how you can find out it. So first go to the search bar and type here older, then underscore, and then colon, and if you want to find the 1 year, so you can click enter the 1 and y. So I don't have emails older than 1 year, so I will find only 6 month. So you can see all email will become here older than 6 months. So you can see now you can select this all, or if you have more than 50 conversions, so you can click on select all conversion that match this search. So all conversations will be like select older than 6 months, and now can easily delete from here. Okay, we can also custom the range from here. Okay, if you want to older than 1 month, you can click 1 month, so the 1 month older will be come here. Okay, so now same process, click delete, select all conversion, and you can delete from here. And after delete it will be goes to trash folder. Now come to the trash, delete, select all, and you can delete, or simply click on trash, empty trash now. So all messages will be deleted in bulk instantly. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.